Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? So I'm going to review these two noise shorts. One is Shorts X5 and one is Short Sport. So before we start, first thing first, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and then share it. And don't forget about the bell. So let's see. I'm going to tell you a few differences between these two. Okay, the first thing is about waterproof. This Shorts X5 is IPX5 while Short Sport is IPX4. So this is much more better than Shorts Sport.
Well, the next difference is Short X5 has a battery capacity of 2000 mAh and a Short Sport has a battery capacity of 450 mAh.
The earbuds at one go, it can go up to 4 hours without charging, and shorts can go up to 3 hours. Same way, the battery life of one go of Shorts X5 is 40 hours while noise sports have about 30 hours. The next thing is about bars. Short X5 is having a better quality bars than noise sport. Same thing with stereo. It is having a high stereo than noise sport. Then both the case need about 1 to 2 hours of charging to be full, while earbuds can be charged up to 10 times from the same case without being charged again, while the noise sport can only be charged 4 times. So these are the main differences between them. So obviously, according to me, noise X5 charge is much more better than Short Sport. So according to price, obviously this is much more pricey than noise Short Sport. So if you're going for a budget one, go for Sport, and if you need a high quality bars, high stereo, go for X5. So this is the review about these two earbuds. So is there anything else, please do comment and like my video, share it, and also subscribe to my channel and don't forget about the bell. Thank you.